Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a VAC error on CSGO. So if you're using modifying of CSGO files using maps, skins or whatsoever, what you need to do here, you need to go to library, and then you need to go to CSGO, right click on it, and then go to properties, and then when you're here, then go to local files and verify integrity of game files, right? And after you do that, and if the problem persists, there is another solution for you. You need to open your task manager and make sure that other programs not blocking your Steam working activity. So for example, it can be a Epic Games Launcher and other ones. So try to end the tasks that, for example, you're not using right now, and after you start the Steam, try to run again CSGO and see if the problem persists. All right, so these are the two solutions that I wanted to show you today, and if it helped, write in the comment section below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.